Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How you guys doing? I am going to prepare how to cleanse or to detox the store-bought pork, as you see here. Last time I did a beef, but this time I'm going to use the pork. So this one I think is prepared for near thinly sliced for yakiniku or shabu shabu, I think. So, all right. So, because you must or you shall cleanse the meat before you are going to cook it, because we don't know where's the source, right? So even you buy from the most trusted butchers, but it's always good to clean or detox the meat. By doing this process, you can remove at least 65% of antibiotics, pesticides, herbicides, and all other nasty stuffs. Okay, so where could I get the proof? Okay, so I reckon check the independent sources. Okay, then you should be able to find it out. And so it's very simple. You only need 3 ingredients to do that. So purified water, half a gallon, so about 2 liters. Okay, use the eSpring water filtration system. So so you do your own research. Okay, so what I can tell you is do not use the tap water because it contains so many nasty inflammation agents such as chlorine, fluoride, aluminum, trihalometane. Yes, so you gotta use the cleanest water much as you can. Okay. And 2 tablespoons of certified organic rice vinegar. You can use anything of the organically certified vinegar. So apple cider vinegar would be fantastic, but it must be organic because non-organic apples made spray with so many herbicides and pesticides. So you don't want to be extracted into this bottle. So use organic, okay? And baking soda. All right. Not to be confused with baking powder, because baking powder, many of them comes with aluminum and GMO, cornstarch and so on. So half a gallon, purified water, minimum of 2 tablespoons of organic vinegar, and 2 tablespoons, right? I'm sure I did say that. So 2 tablespoons or more of baking soda. All right, so I'm going to mix it up, and okay, so just watch, okay? So let's begin. Okay then, so you have to let it sit at least 3 hours. I mean, if you're in a super hurry, minimum 30 minutes, but I reckon you do 3 hours. And if the water is getting dirty, like getting reddish, because then you just get the brand new brine solution, right? So water, baking soda, and vinegar. So you make the brand new one, and you can do that every 2-3 hours if you wish. But yes, and then until it's getting better, or whatever you want to call, okay? And those of you who are busy working or whatever, night shift something, so before you leave the house, you do this process and put it back in refrigerator, and when you come home, and then you can go ahead start cooking, right? But only one warning: do not drink. I know, but I just have to explain. Okay, so those of you watching for first time, do not drink this water, because who wants to drink the stuff that transfer from the meat to the water, right? Contains some antibiotics or other potential nasty stuff. So, all right. And then after that, you drain it, and if it's too watery, you can sprinkle some before you, once you finish cleaning or cleansing or detoxing, then you may put some salt to remove the excess water for maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then you rinse it again with purified water, and then pat it with paper towel, whatever, and they're ready to cook. Pork chops or shabu shabu or tonkatsu or smoother pork, whatever. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this is very, I hope this is very educational. All right, take care. Cheers. All right, I think we're ready. So I spent roughly 4 hours. Yeah, so it's much cleaner. So this is my second batch, and first a few minutes getting super red. So this is my second batch. Second round I'll put in the water, vinegar, and baking soda. So yeah, so the blood is pretty much out, which is good, because the blood is the one contain the antibacterial or pesticides or other nasty stuff, right? So now this is pretty much ready to cook. So I'm probably going to cook some shabu shabu. I know this is kind of thick, but it's okay. Anyway, take care. Stay healthy. Cheers.